Welcome back to Rick's YouTube channel. On today's video I'm going to show you how you can sort your chat out on Fortnite. So if you are hearing your friends but no one can hear you, all you've got to do is go into the settings, scroll over to the sound, and then you can see that I've got voice chat on. Now I'm going to switch it off, press apply, and then press back, and then shut down Fortnite. Now I'm going to restart Fortnite, so bear with me, I'll just fast forward this one. So once you reload the game, go back into settings, scroll over to the sound bar, and then turn the voice chat back onto on and press apply, and then press back. And now your voice chat should be working. Sounds a bit silly, but it's helped me out quite a few times. Something as simple as that. Give it a go. Drop a comment in the comment box below. Let me know if it solves your problem. Remember to give the video a like, subscribe, and I'll get back to you with another Fortnite video. Thanks for watching.